Okay, y'all. So I don't know if this is related to age or obesity or a quarter life, midlife crisis, but I sneezed and my back and my shoulders popped. I know that ain't normal. I know that I got winded, and I have been getting winded for a while, just taking a shower. I think it's just the walking, bathing up, having to walk back to the room. Like, that's a lot for me. And then also, putting on jeans, my knees and my back pop when I put on jeans. Beyonce talking about jumping up and down to get in jeans. Baby, I'm not jumping nowhere. I can't. I do low impact everything. Well, most things. That's another story for another day. But is anybody else having these issues? Or is it just me? Because I'm struggling.